Hey guys, Ren and Kimono here. So while you're out and about today over at Walgreens, a lot of these delicious frozen treats have hit 90% off clearance. Special shout out and thank you to the freebie guy. He posted this on his Instagram. He's over in Texas and it hit 90 at his stores in Michigan. As you can see, they're still tagged full price. I got the cashier to scan a couple of them and the stuff he was finding was still full price here, but maybe later in the week, perhaps on Tuesday or next Saturday, it might hit 90. So keep a watchful eye out, walk down that frozen food aisle and look for those orange tags that are all about clearance. Now, one thing that did hit 90% clearance, or a pretty significant clearance here in Michigan, is a lot of men's grooming, ladies' shavers, that good stuff. The Bulldog products considerably reduced, and a lot of the deodorant up to 90% off. So you might want to cruise down those two aisles if you're headed out to Walgreens in the next day or so and see what they might have. You might be pleasantly surprised. Okay, and there's an opportunity to get a free 8x10 photo. You guys know the drill. Place an order. Make sure you pick it up at store and use the code SNOW8X10, exactly as pictured on the screen, and you will get one free photo per store account. So get that before the 2nd of February. From Walgreens today, and even though it might not look very spectacular, it was actually a $1 moneymaker after everything is said and done. We're going to walk through this. We're going to walk through it two different ways with a 10 off of 30. And then if you have absolutely nothing except for the 5 off of 3 for the Crest, we're going to talk about a deal that you can do to get some money making toothbrushes and some very inexpensive DiGiorno. So we'll talk about that right off the cuff. We have some Meijer freebies that include a box of Cheerios and the Febreze plug. And I just wanted to show you guys, I actually just kept loading everything from the Dollar General since Friday on this table. And believe it or not, that $25, that's what I paid for all of that. It's really amazing what you can do over the Dollar General, and we'll talk about that at the very end. I really don't have anything new to show you, and I think if most of you would try to go look for clearance right now, it's really difficult because most people have been hitting the store really hard the last couple of days, but I'll show you some stuff at the very end for the Dollar General. Weather report for you guys. Look how bright it is out there. Wow. It's almost blinding. It's so bright. I think the camera's actually capturing it today. Hi to my mom. She's watching. I hope she's having a great day. Okay, so back to this. We're going to talk about just the Walgreens deals if you have 0 coupons, what to do this week. So the first deal that I would recommend is to grab 3 of the Oral-B toothbrushes. So these guys are $3.99 this week. There's a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that showed up this morning that is in fact attaching to this. When you're in the dental care aisle, please be very, really pay attention, because if you're not, there's so many different Oral-B products that look identical, but they have to be the ones that are $3.99. So at checkout, make sure they're $3.99, or use the Walgreens app to scan to make sure that they're $3.99. You'll grab 3 of these for $11.97, subtracting that 5 off of 3 digital that showed up this morning. You'll pay $6.97 out of pocket, get back a $6 register reward, and IBOTTA is giving back $1 back for each toothbrush. So it makes it free plus a $2.03 money maker. If you wish to use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it, but what a great little deal. This $6 register reward, I went and burned it into this deal because I really love the DiGiorno Supreme Pizza. These guys are on a buy one, get one free because Super Bowl will be next weekend. So a lot of like pizza and pop, that good stuff is really inexpensive. So $6.99 for the first one. And the second one's free. I used this $6 register reward and paid 99 cents for the 2. So like 49 cents per pizza, not too shabby. And for this, if you consider that we got back $3 from IBOTTA, so it makes it like, you know, a little money maker right there. And then if you consider that, even if you just do these two things, it'll still be like $1 and some change money maker, so not the worst deal. Okay, so the next deal that we're gonna talk about, I used a 10 off of 30 booster. It is always a your mileage may vary if you got it or not. I believe they're all expiring on February the 2nd, so use it or lose it. So I used one of those today. So what I did, guys, was I grabbed 3 of these toothbrushes for $11.97. Again, I had the 5 off of 3. You know the drill. I grabbed 2 of the Olay. Grabbed 2 of the Olay bar soaps. We don't get a lot of deals with bar soap, so I thought, hey, why not? These guys are 2 for $12, and then the Coke products are 3 for $9.99. Now, if you're in Michigan or certain states that have a bottle deposit, it will be a little bit more, 10 cents per can. Michigan has a bottle deposit. So for all of this good stuff, guys, it is a total of $33.96. I'm not including the bottle deposit, that's like $3.60. And I had register rewards. I had 3 from last week. And basically what I did, guys, is I got the cashier to scan the 3 Coca-Colas first. Scan each one. And then each of those register rewards on the line limit of the cash register tape will attach to those 3. And then I got the cashier to scan this and then these. And basically all of my coupons worked perfectly. I should go buy a lottery ticket today. So $11.50 in register rewards came off. My 10 off of 30 came off. The 5 off of 2, the 5 off of 3 for this, and then the 2 off of 2 for the Olay, which are digital coupons. So I also threw in $10 of Walgreens cash. I paid very little out of pocket, which is fantastic. And then I got back $4 in Walgreens cash for buying the 2 Olay, and then a $6 register reward for buying the Oral-B. So after everything is said and done, it's kind of like an even Steven freebie, and I'm totally fine with that. It's kind of like an even Steven freebie, and I'm totally fine with that. Yes, a couple register rewards, but what am I going to do? Put them in a frame and put them on a wall? I got to use them somehow. So I'm just like, you know, rolling them, as they say, to get a little something. A lot of people like to get excited in the comments and say, you're winning, it's not exactly free. But if you're rolling either your points or register rewards or cash or register rewards, you're still getting this stuff for very little out of pocket. So it worked beautifully for me. There's another deal that I want to do. Unfortunately, my store didn't have all the products, and I'll probably make a video either later tonight or tomorrow about this deal I want to do. Again, it's with another 10 off of 30 to get some very inexpensive skincare. But I'll talk about that either later today or tomorrow. But just really fantastic deals over at Walgreens. At the very least, do the Oral-B and the pizza deal. Alright, so now we're over at Meijer. If you're from the Midwest, there's an M-Perk that showed up today for this box of cereal, and it makes this guy completely free. It is the 11.5 ounce. Please pay attention, you're grabbing the right one, and it has to be with the real strawberries. There are ones that are like, you know, with berries, with blueberries, with this, with that. It has to be the real strawberries one. And I hate when they do that. I wish it was an M-Perk off of any box of Cheerios, but it's this specific one. And unfortunately, I grabbed the last box at the store because somebody had went in there like before 9 o'clock and cleared almost everything except for this last box. So bleh. check later in the week or ask somebody in the store if they might have them in the back. You know, they get trucks usually every other day, so good luck with that one, guys. Freebie is with this Febreze plug. This week it's exactly $3. We have a $3 M perk, zeroing it out to free. And also in the February P&G, there's a manufacturer coupon for, you know, to get one of these completely for free. And yes, you can use that one, in fact, at Meijer. Before I take off, guys, I know that a lot of you are very loyal, either Rite Aid or Walgreens shoppers that come to my channel. And I can't stress it enough, with the new year, it might be really good to learn a new store, because like some of the deals over at Dollar General with this clearance event that usually happens about 3 times a year. So when this does happen, a lot of us go really hard. I went hard for 2 days, but today I'm taking a break from the store because I'm pretty tired. But like even like these pie plates, I found a store that was 70% off, and I was getting these guys for like $1.13, and I used it with a 5 off of 25, and I think I got these for 12 cents after everything was said and done. I'll show you the UPC if you want to look for this one in your store, but like $1, even at, you know, $1.13, that's a crazy price point for this. And I was really happy. I got 5 of these, and there's so many like really good freebies and overage items and just great products. And today's the last day, which is Sunday, and anything in the clearance section an extra 50% off. I've made multiple videos in the last week about this, but I would absolutely check it out. And I noticed that from Friday to Saturday, most of the stores, the clearance section, the stuff was really like depleted, more than any other year I've ever seen. But it was really quite trippy and a rush to go and do this, and I'm so happy with what I got. And I don't know, because of the pandemic, if they will limit to like last year where they only had 3 of these events. It might be very similar, and some markets don't even get the event. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.